Hello and welcome to the preview video of this course Python Flask for Beginners. My name is Febin George and I will be your instructor for this course. Have you ever wanted to build a web application using Python? This course is aimed towards helping you build just that. This course will teach you the Flask framework of Python, which will help you build web applications easily. Now we will be starting off this course by understanding how the web actually works. You will understand the interaction between a client and a server. And then we get into setting up the development environment on your machine, whether you are on Windows or Linux or Mac. And then we start understanding the fundamentals of Flask framework. Then we add some basic CSS styles to your application using Bootstrap. And then we get into learning MySQL for database connectivity with our Flask application. Next, we will build a mini project in which you will submit a form from your web browser, which will get stored all the way down into your MySQL database. At the end of this course, you will build a blogging application using Flask from all the knowledge which you would have gained. And as for me, I am a software engineer with over 3 years of professional experience, and I have also been teaching Python programming on Udemy. I currently have over 50,000 students and I'm nearing 4,000 reviews with an average of 4.5. I will make sure that you are learning Flask in the most practical way possible. No fluff guaranteed. This course does have few prerequisites. You need to be familiar with the basics of Python, such as variables, data types, functions, and so on. You also need to be familiar with the basics of HTML and CSS. The knowledge of MySQL is good to have, but it is not mandatory since we will be looking into some of the queries. The focus of this course will be purely on the backend. We will not be dealing with much of the UI such as CSS and JavaScript. You will learn how to handle the requests that comes in from the web browser. And at any point of time, if you have any questions, do post them in the Q&A section and I'll answer it for you. Now, I want you to feel safe when you purchase any of my courses. For this purpose, I have included several preview videos from this course. Do go through all of them and purchase this course only if you feel this course is going to be beneficial for you. And what more, Udemy also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. So in case you are not happy with this course, I will be happy to help you with a refund. So what are you waiting for? There is absolutely no risk involved. Knowledge is all that you will gain from this course. Enroll into this course and I'll see you on the inside. Here is wishing you a very bright day ahead. Thank you.